Hello, welcome you all to my lecture. In this video, we will see what is a record class in Java 17. Record classes simplifies the creation of immutable data structures. It is a special kind of class designed for plain data aggregates. It is a transparent carrier for a fixed set of values known as record components. The primary goal of a record class is to reduce the boilerplate code and enhance readability. Features of record classes. Record instances are immutable once created. So whatever components we are having for a record class, we cannot modify after we created that particular record class object. So automatic methods. The Java compiler automatically generates several methods for record classes. Say for example, toString, hash code, equals, and the getter methods as well. Canonical constructor. We can have a separate canonical constructor inside a record class which initiates the record components. Concise syntax. A record class declares record components directly in record header. For example, suppose we are modeling a geometric shapes. Here is a simple record class for a circle. So the circle record has a single component radius. The compiler generates the constructor, accessor method and other necessary methods. Now let us check an example. Here I have created a record class for a shaped circle which is having a record component radius which is of data type double. Inside the main method, I am creating an instance for a record class circle using the new keyword and by passing an actual value for this radius. So we need to pass the values for all the record components while creating a record class instance itself. So I am trying to copy the circle class to another instance, a similar circle class. Let us try to run this program and let's check whether both objects are equal or not by checking its hash code. So we are also having some internal methods. We are also having some reflection methods to check whether this particular class is of type record or not. So we can use isRecord method. So we can use the isRecord method to check and confirm whether this circle class is a record type or a normal class. We can also have another method called getRecordComponents, with which we can able to get all the list of record components present in the record class. So here we are having radius as a single record component. So now let me try to run this program. Yeah, I got the output. So while printing this circle instance, I am getting the class name and the record component name and its value. So by default the toString method is implemented by this record itself. Here comes the tricky part. So I am copying this circle's radius to create another circle, and I am trying to print the hash codes of both the objects. Here we can see both the hash codes are equal, which is nothing but how many times I am creating a copy of an object, it will keep a same object only in the JVM's hash memory. So here when I'm checking whether this circle class is a record, it gives us true. And I am trying to get all the record components. So I'm using arrays.toString method to print out all the array elements. So here I am getting double radius. So this is the only one record component which we are having for the circle class. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video.